Oh, we're being mobbed.
Really upset they couldn't
Skeeter hunters. Are these skeeter hunting dogs?
Oh, skeeter hunting dog. Skeeter hunting dog.
Yeah, we got skeeters up on our ceiling up there somewhere.
Well, you come to help?
Yeah,
All right.
I don't care about skeeters. Okay.
Production's going way up. There's 5 of us now.
So we need lapping compound. The store didn't have squat and they want a lot of money for it.
You say laughing compound?
Lapping compound.
Laughing. Got it.
Lapping, not laughing. You're laughing at how much you paid for it. So this is silicon carbide. What was it? E, A, B, C? What was this stuff? Here's your grits over here.
right?
Here's your grits over here. We got a B, 240, or we got an A,
It says right here on
280?
the front on this white
C.
hammer.
What do we got? B.
We got B.
We got B. So B is extra, 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 not there. B. B is
Medium fine.
B is on the,
240,
we're on the coarse side of medium fine. C would be medium fine coarse. So we're on the finer side of medium fine. Followed closely by fine. All right, so what did you pay for this?
I paid $25.
We got it on a favorite spot. eBay.
35 or 36.
What do you want, like 40, 50 bucks for this at the other places? So good. All right, so this is clover leaf. This is clover compound. Abrasive. They used to call it lapping compound back in the day. All right, so I brought a container from home.
Small container's going to stay with me, and the big container's going to go home with
I can't
Tatro.
read what size it is, but it got used up. So this is my skeeter board.
Here.
Get my own screwdriver. Yeah. I got my own screwdriver. So I got 2 of these at home, so you get one of them. They were selling these empty ones on there too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know why anybody went on the empty.
Yeah, me either.
That's why everything on eBay. Yeah, this is black stuff. Now, if you put this in your motor, it will lap in everything inside the motor. So it's nice, smooth finish.
Oh, very nice. You put that in the oil or what?
Yeah.
It's like an additive.
It will lap everything nice and smooth. And then keep going, and going, and going. Eventually it'll be really loose. So don't do that to anybody unless you really, really don't like it.
Really don't like them. Got it.
Okay, so this here is our skeeter board. Okay, let's mix this stuff up to see how good it is. This is some pretty fresh looking stuff in here. Look at that, that's good stuff. It's like toothpaste.
I don't know what you're brushing your teeth with, but
Right here, that's why I'm out of it. Isn't this toothpaste? Engine putty. I paint my car with this stuff.
engine smoothie.
Smoothie. It's a smoothie, you can eat it too. It'll probably clear out your system too. You know, it's 2-pound cans are half full now after I put 1 pound over here. Okay, how much of this do we need here? You want
We're good.
Right to the top?
I'll be dead before I use that most likely.
Right to the top or a little below the top?
I think we're good here.
You think you're good? Okay, it has lapping compound on the outside surface.
Oh,
now.
perfect.
It's a mess over here on my board. I got some on the outside too.
Here, we got
I got dirty.
pals around here. Dude, Mac, he's like your best friend. You like? Oh, Mac.
I need 1 piece.
Oh, Mac, you all right, buddy?
This is my skeeter board.
You guys,
I don't want my skeeters to get lapping compound on.
These girls harassing you?
They like my foot down there, I can tell. They're sitting
Girls
on it.
harassing you?
They definitely like my floor mat. Okay, so this you're no longer using now because it's junk. That's used now, so I can't reuse it now. Okay. So now, somebody made a mess of this here. How'd you get that on the outside?
I'm talented. You should see me eat.
You want some? It's tasty. Put it on your bubble gum in the morning. I'm telling you, it'll clean your teeth out really good.
back is screaming.
Oh, you can't put this in your back. What the problem with this is, I didn't leave room for the lid.
Maybe? It'll form into the middle. You gotta pull it down into the middle.
You have to go like this with it. I'm forming it. So instead of metal forming, I'm with a compound forming. This is nice fresh stuff. I can feel the grit in there. It's pretty aggressive. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna do a lapping comment. See the
Okay.
valve face right now?
Okay?
Okay, now we don't know which valve this is because we didn't pay attention. So is this the front one or the back one?
That's the front one.
You put a light layer on there. Do not put on there like Gas Monkey dumbass does. Minus 45. He literally had a 1/4 inch layer on this whole valve. What a moron. Is that why they're not on TV no more? Bunch of morons. I would never say that.
Nope.
I saw him blow up 3 motors on that program.
I used to like it in the beginning when they had the.
They weren't even riding them yet. They were just driving.
What was that bearded dude's name that was on? I liked it when he was there, and I stopped watching it after he left.
He was the worst one. He thought he knew everything.
What was his name? I don't remember.
The beard's genius. I'd say his real name, but I don't want to.
Okay.
We like picking on people anonymously. It's 2 more on the Gas Monkey, and you have to figure out what you do. The more power they got, the higher they are on that list. Number 3 guy was pretty good. After that, dropped off quick. Okay, what are these? These are tools, standoff boards. Just like that. This is an exhaust valve, right? It's an intake valve. Is this the one you want on the rear head? Where's your front head?
Last year.
Okay, where's our brand new lapping stick you bought?
So
We'll just set you back. Hey, these are made in that big China place. They make a lot of shit.
yeah, it's a great
That's a
company.
big manufacturer, that place.
Good company.
These are a lot softer than mine. They might work better. Okay, what's the biggest rubber we got? Okay, we're never going to use these small ones because we don't work on mopeds.
Okay.
Okay, that's not going to fly. Okay, I'm thinking it's the same size as that one. What do you think? Is that the same size?
Looks like it.
Okay, so we don't care about the new one. What? You want to bite this? Okay, so if you spin on it, it should work better. So you go back and forth a couple, lift up, go a couple more, back up. Spread the load around a little. Can you hear it not cutting as good? Stop. I hear it knocking in one of them.
It's gonna be a problem, isn't it?
Well, you made a break. Can't get good help. Okay, now I'm gonna do the intake. Get traction control on that. This one doesn't work. It's called lapping your valve. Guess where that name came from? The lapping. We're done. It broke. Okay, now you go like this. We need our valve stem tool over here. How much did I not use? I wasted that much on the outside edge. I didn't use it, see?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get this stuff anywhere near your motor. Okay, we're looking for a nice even finish all the way around with no pits, no gouges. Looks pretty clean. And it's out toward the outside of the valve too. See, the inside valve's way over here. It's all the way to the outside. That's good. Maximum power. I like that. It's a good valve there. And on this one here, you want to see the same thing, except they want to be on the seat still. And this one here, we got a little more issues with it. See, it's not even hitting over here for whatever reason. Do you see a lot mark anywhere?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a lot mark. Do you see a lot mark?
It's completely
That's not good.
grody.
We have a lot mark on this side though. Got a few pits in there too. But it's not really hitting over here. Which means that valve guide has gone that way and shifted up. You're too close to see this. So when it shifts up like that, the guide moves, it uncovers this low spot. Not seating. So this is not seating very well. Let's see what this valve looks like. This one looks a lot worse than the intake. You can see even a lap mark on the valve, but I don't see it. Okay, it's hitting over in the gray area. Over here it's shiny, it's not hitting again. It goes gray, so half the valve's not hitting. So we got a little work to do here. It's a good thing we got more lapping compound. You know why? We got a lot more lapping to do. We're looking for a nice gray surface all the way across. I don't care if it's 20 thou thick. I want to see if there's, I want to see a gray. See, that's nice there, but now the problem is it's going to take this nice smooth even valve. It's going to eat on it just as much as it does the seat. Whatever is softer doesn't cut as much. So if the seat's harder than this, the seat will cut more because the grit embeds into the soft part. The problem you got two hard steels, they're both hard. There's nothing to bend into. So it just spins around. So we're gonna make this thing stick out here better. So if we do this here a little differently. Some more downward force on it. Here, it died out.
Mm-hmm. Definitely changed sound.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it did. A little piece of something thin here. Maybe that.
Not tall enough, the valve's out.
I know, I can see it.
See if I can find a little one line for you.
There it is. Yes, the cutting. This valve stick's pretty good because it's working way better than I thought it was going to work. It's a good thing because we have a lot to do here. Okay, that's it for that one. I think it's almost hitting on the intake. exhaust is looking a little bit better. So it's trying to cut. Alright, I'm going to do some more. Keep it off the valve stem so you don't lap the stems. Give me a little cup of that solvent. Clean the valves off.
Just a couple more options here.
Just need a board up here that I really need. That'll work. Nice and aggressive. Looks like these heads are growing across the ground. Rough.
Is that enough?
This head gasket's so rough.
I got it, Tatro.
It comes that way. If the skeeter gets between my hands, I'll kill it.
Roll it right in.
Yeah, I'm knocking in the mush. This warms you up doing this too. Notstick works really nice. We're starting to get some activity on that. Let me get my valve up. Smell that nice lopping compound aroma. Smell anywhere. Nice lap mark now. Getting there. See it all around it.
Starting to see a little something over here, I think, on this side of it.
It's still shiny, it's not dark. It's dark over here. The intake is starting to come in. It's a little light right here still.
Yeah.
Coming around anywhere else. She's coming in, so a couple more attempts at this again. Should come in pretty good. All right, we'll be back in a while.